good?
We're all good.
All right. So
Now, you're Officer Witt, correct?
yes, this is Officer Velasco.
Hello, Officer Velasco.
Officer, we've met
I don't remember meeting you.
We've met a long time ago, right?
I know you very well.
Yeah, right on. I was the one who helped you out with your case where we had the problem with the judge, remember?
How did you help me out with my case with the
I
judge?
sent it to the DA for you when you gave me the video, like 5, 6 years, 7 years
And
ago.
they didn't do anything about that.
Well, I can't control what the DA does, but I did my part. So you know from your prior experience with me, I'm trustworthy, right? So
Have you been crisis intervention trained? CIT trained?
I have.
Excellent.
So is Officer Velasco. Why don't you tell him what's going on today?
All right. Well, I went through litigation. It cost an awful lot of money, and they violated all the CCNRs, bylaws, and all of those things. All right. We start off with house rules, bylaws, CCNRs, and then Davis-Sterling Act, and all that stuff you have to comply with when you live in a place like this.
Communal
It's
living.
called a common interest development. Now, I've got 3 certificates from a place called Communities Association Institute, which means I'm qualified to train managers how to run an operation like this. This is a corporation that's worth $50 million. I was the manager here for 100 days.
Okay.
When I went to enforce the rules, they decided they didn't want me to enforce the rules, and they decided that they would rather terminate my employment here. My grandmother owned 305 since 1977. She bought 104 in 1987. That is when my grandmother died in 2008. There was a generation skip where me and my sister inherited the condominium. Okay, apparently the people in this building didn't like that, and they tried to kick me out. They said I did all these crazy things. I vandalized the building. I'm yelling at people and all this stuff. The only time I ever yelled at people is if I was provoked first. Okay, I was the manager here, and I had no complaints. I did a wonderful job here. All right.
You still own 104, Patrick?
Yeah.
Okay. Renting it out?
Yes.
Oh, right on.
Okay, now
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt your story.
I'm going to turn this off, and we're going to walk downstairs, and I'll show you what's happening down there.
Okay, tell us well, here's the deal. So I think it's your attorney called us.
Skip Howie.
Yeah, I think he called us to check on you because he was a little concerned about you.
Oh, because said I'm ready to punch somebody out right now. And I said,
gotcha.
I tell him, look, I'm not a violent person,
Right.
but after 40 years of being jammed up, I'm really kind of sick and tired of it.
So I guess probably given the history here, he didn't want you socking somebody in the nose and getting
that's not
yourself
it at all.
in trouble. That's probably why I asked us to check.
He didn't ask. I told him to call you guys and get you guys out here.
Got it.
I'm not going to talk to you guys without him knowing about it. Because somehow, when it comes from my mouth to your report, everything doesn't come out right. Okay?
Gotcha. Hey, how you doing?
Hi.
Okay, gotcha. So what is it that we're here specifically today to address?
We're going to do a welfare check for one, which you're doing right now.
On you,
and then,
right?
Yeah, and then what
you
we're going to
look
do, and thank you, I lost 107 pounds.
I was going to say, you look thin.
Well, that's the first time. The first time I lost 88 pounds. Then the second time I lost 107 pounds.
Okay.
Because you guys wouldn't let me skate down Truesdale, so I stopped skating for 6 years. Then everybody's off my butt saying, just skate anyway.
All right.
So I said, all right, I'm going to skate.
So,
Hold on one second.
all right.
I'll get you the evidence.
Well, this is a.
So, Patrick,
Yes.
what is part, other than the checking on you to make sure you're okay, what is
Stolen,
part?
stolen property.
Got it. What exactly was taken?
All right. All right, here we go. Boy, you got the whole crew here today.
Yeah,
All right, this is a duplicate right here.
Okay.
But this was in a frame. This is a duplicate. They took this with a frame, took it away. Don't know what happened to it.
Hang on, slow down. Where was the original located at?
Downstairs, I was going to show you downstairs.
Okay,
from
gotcha.
It looked like something like this.
Okay, gotcha.
Then these 2 pieces right here.
Uh-huh.
This is the one that got broke.
Okay, so that one got broken.
See, but they took it from down here downstairs and brought it and put it up under here. The reason I don't know why they're touching my stuff.
Okay.
It's not theirs to touch.
So where did it go from under there?
I took this one, put it back downstairs
Okay.
with this sign on it. Who broke this?
Got it.
And then I got no response, so I just brought it upstairs to keep it for evidence.
Got it.
This one completely disappeared. Don't know what happened to this one.
Okay.
Now this is another one.
Slow down a second.
Down in a lobby.
Slow down a second. So this picture
Was in a frame.
Was in a frame, sitting on a little pedestal type thing downstairs. Now the pedestals, do they belong to the complex?
No, they're mine.
They're yours. Okay. And are the pedestals missing too?
They're gone today, as of today. They were there this morning, gone
Understood.
today when I got back at 1 o'clock. That's why I'm so upset.
Do we suspect? Hang on a second. This is not normally the type of item that somebody would come in the building and steal.
No,
Do
no.
we suspect the current manager removed them and have not properly returned them to you? May that be the
I don't know
case?
what the circumstances is because, look, they took this thing down. This is where I posted this in the garage. I put it in a
Okay.
frame. There was a hook already there. That hook was already there, painted over for a long,
Gotcha.
long time. So I thought, hey, what a great idea. Why don't I want to get my word out.
Right.
They took all the bulletin boards down, so I can't put anything up, which by law I can. I can put a banner up by law.
Okay, so here's the deal. I'm not here to debate the merits of the association rules with you.
Right.
We've had this conversation 100 times, right? That's
Right.
all civil between you and them. What I suspect happened with your stuff is that management picked it up and put it somewhere. Let me go down to the manager's apartment, bang on the door, talk to him, see if I can get some answers for you, and we'll come back up and talk to you in like 2 minutes.
Thank you
Does
very
that
much.
sound
I
good?
really appreciate it. You
No
really
problem.
calm me down, you know? These people get me so
Patrick,
agitated.
how many times have you dealt with me? Probably 3 or 4 over the years, right?
Yeah.
Have I ever bullshitted you or lied to you?
Well, you know you guys been out here
Right.
close to
I can't
80
speak-
times.
I can't
80
speak to
times,
the,
all
I
right?
can't speak to the other guys, but in the handful of times we've worked together, have you ever had a problem with me?
I don't recall.
You don't recall. So if you had had a problem with me, you'd recall, right?
No, I
So-
got problems with everybody.
Go hang in your apartment, we'll check with the manager, we'll bang on your door in 10 minutes or less and have an answer for you one way or another. If the manager doesn't know anything about it, we'll get some information from you and take a report for it.
Very good. I
All
appreciate
right?
that.
No worries. Let me ask you this. When you called your attorney who subsequently called us, he articulated to us that he was a little concerned that you were off your meds, may want to hurt yourself. may wanna-
Bullshit.
Nothing like that?
Bullshit.
We're good?
He did not say that to you.
Shit you not.
Bullshit.
Shit you
I
not.
don't believe you.
Okay. Well, let me ask you
I
this.
don't believe the reason I'm.
Regardless of whether you believe me or not, let me just ask you this. You don't feel like hurting yourself, do you?
No, I don't.
Okay. And you're not going to hurt anybody else.
That's why I called you guys. I would
Perfect.
call you. I
That's all
would
I
call you
care
guys
about.
personally. I would call you guys personally. All right, I would.
All right.
But you guys never listen to me.
I understand.
You never listen to me
I
whenever I
understand.
call you guys.
Hey, as
so
long
that's
as-
why I call him and I have him call you.
Listen.
I have a problem with Perna. Okay?
Okay.
He's a big jackass. Okay.
Okay.
Perna, Orloff. Okay. Colopy.
Colby's
I have the
long-
old chief. The old
Colby's
chief.
long gone, man. He's been gone for
I know.
years.
It doesn't matter. I still have a problem with them. Still an idiot. How about Treadway up in Millbrae? How about I can go on and on and on and on and on and
All
on.
right. Go hang in your apartment for about 10. We'll come up with some
Let's
answers
get this
for you.
guy's
hopefully.
picture. He doesn't want to be in on this.
Officer
who's-
Thorpe's camera shy.
Well, that's all right. We got him in the mirror.
He's a good guy too. He won't treadway you. Don't
I've dealt
worry.
with you many times, Patrick.
I wouldn't say many times.
Oh, at
Remind
least
me-
6.
Remind me what apartment number?
I dealt with you guys 66 times.
Well, that's
Private property, that's what I get told. Oh, 1997, I asked you guys to come out and deal with parking situations.
He wasn't even born in
And-
1997. You
in the
can't.
garage, right?
In 1997, I wanted to move my car out, right? I wanted them to move the cars out of my spot. 1997, you know what I get from you guys? Oh, it's private property. We can't do a damn thing about
We
it.
can't. You would have to tow the vehicle.
What apartment number is your manager in again,
But
Patrick?
hey, other people want to call you guys out. It's not private property when you guys get called out on me. It's not private property. But when I call you guys out to deal with the parking, oh, you guys can't deal with it. Oh no, it's private. I'm going back to
Wait,
1997.
Patrick, Patrick, hang on a second. Let's drop the 1997 stuff and deal with today's problems. I understand you got some grudges, and I don't blame you for that. But here's the deal.
It's CC&R violations.
What apartment number is your manager in?
I believe it's 106.
Okay, go sit tight.
It's this one right here.
Okay,
You know.
go sit tight in your place. We'll go talk to him. Let me see if I can find out about your pedestals and pictures, man. We'll take care of you.
Because I got my camera, that's why you're taking care of me, right?
I take care of you whether you have your
Yeah,
camera.
right.
That doesn't make a difference.
Right. Only because Eric got after you guys, probably.
No idea what you're talking about.
Your boss.